Hello everyone, welcome back to the Merino Mountain Railroad channel. This weekend I spent most of the weekend working on this SD40T-2 tunnel motor in Rio Grande colors. I think they call that the speed lettering logo. I picked this up at a train show last weekend. It's an Athearn ready to roll. Needed some work, but was able to successfully convert it to RailPro. I wanted to do a couple of additional things to it, but I decided not to because the previous owner, even though it looks like it's got very little use, the previous owner did glue some things together, like the way the cab goes together, so I couldn't get the cab apart the way I wanted. So I decided, you know what, better to live and fight another day than to totally screw this thing up. So I did convert it to RailPro. I have the front light, headlight, and the gyro light or gyro light working, as well as the rear lights. Of course, this video probably means nothing to you right now because I don't have the lights turned on. But they're all LED now with little fiber optic cables to get the light to come out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn on. Oh, and I mounted 2 sugar cube speakers in here, right in that area, right above where you can see through the mesh. So I'll go ahead and start up the motor. Sounds pretty good. All right, now we'll give you a little bell. And the horn. Okay, and then we'll do some lighting. So here's the forward light, headlight coming on. Get it in frame there. Trying to look at my controller and work the camera at the same time. And then the gyro light. And you can't really see it as well because the LED is messing with the frame rate of the camera, I think. But you can see that that gyro light's doing its thing there. And of course, if we go to the rear of the locomotive, we can see that the rear light is now also on and quite bright. So, and I think the sound sounds pretty good for this dual sugar cube install. First time for that. A couple other things you can do. You got dynamic brake sounds. So I turned it on. And turned it back off. And then if I put this on the max load here, we can maybe see how the engine sounds as it revs up. So here we go. I like the load feature on the RailPro where I can simulate a heavy load. So still got some minor tweaks to do to get all the sounds and stuff I want, but for now it seems to be working pretty good. Not bad for 75 bucks. Alright, it's my first Rio Grande Tunnel motor. I'm sure there'll be more. So that's it for this update, and I'll see you in the shop.